Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce the use of the radical 9-5 in array input method. If you are using array 30 in your keyboard, 9-5 belongs to letter L in your keyboard. Let's begin. The first one, Niao. We got a first stroke 9 and end with 5 for the first radical, which is 9-5. 9 as in slash, 5 clockwise curve. And after 9-5 we have 4 dots bottom, which equals to fire 8-8. So we press 8-8 here. Alright, next character, U, pretty much the same like Niao. So they have the same radical 9-5. And the rest 4 dots, fire 8-8. You pick this one here. Okay, continue. We have May. Left side we have water, which is 3-8, 3 vertical line. A for 2 dots right side, water. Okay, and the right upper is 9-5, begins with 9 slash, end with counterclockwise curve 9-5. And the rest is 5-8, 5 clockwise curve, 8 backslash here. Continue. 句, 2 radicals. First one 9-5, 9 slash 5 clockwise curve. In the middle we have mouth, which is 0 here. Okay, that's all for 9-5. And if you are using array 30, 9-5 belongs to letter L in your keyboard. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.